Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'll be recording a video that will be solely based on JavaScript for Kids Chapter 3. And that video will be discussing something that is called arrays. So it's pretty much like info where you make a list of things that you're gonna be using within a variable with the use of like square brackets, to just enclose to encapsulate all the lists or data types or data within the array of within the variable. Yeah. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll be going to type 3 arrays. So far we've learned about numbers and strings, which are types of data that you can store and use in your programs, but numbers and strings are kind of boring. There's not a lot that you can do with the string on its own. It also lets you create and group together data in more interesting ways with arrays. An array shows a list of other JavaScript data values. If your friend asks you what your 3 favorite dinosaurs are, you could create an array with the names of those dinosaurs in order. So this is pretty much like an example of an array. So an array is pretty much like a list of data, of items, or piece of data within a variable. That's what an array is, man. So let's look at dinosaurs again.
So, did you already start the record?
Yeah, it's been started already. Yeah.
Okay. Let me
I just need to adjust screen here. I'm gonna go back to my video. Okay. Let's look at dinosaurs again. Say you want to use a program to keep track of the many kinds of dinosaurs you know about. You create a variable for each dinosaur like this. Variable dinosaur equals CRX. So these are the different types of variables that you can have. This is pretty awkward to use though, because you have 9 different variables when you could have just one. But if you keep track of 1,000 dinosaurs, you need to create 1,000 separate variables, which would always be impossible to work with, man. So in order to create that, you need to create a variable, and within the variable you need to set like a square bracket. In the square bracket you need to insert your values or items in. And within those items you need to have inverted commas and colons as well. And you also need to have commas as well. Commas. So this is how you create an array. So let's go to what I've been able to do. So you got a variable, right? So the variable names the name of different types of people. Then you got me, my my father, my sister, my best friend, my mother. So you got names of. So what I did was I wanted to take the variable that I set on array. It's pretty much like what we did with slice, and create a new value for my variables. So names of different types of people, and within there, square brackets 0. So the 0 refers to Cabello, which is me. I create a value which reads out me. Same thing with my father, my sister, best friend, and mother. So that's what happens, man. Doesn't he comment this out? If this has been commented out. So I go to my console, type out and as you can see here, my console already, due to me referring to the document that I was working with, my console already recognizes the variables that I'm working on. So let me refer back to what I'm working. So this is pretty much the values that I'm working with. As you can see here, my computer recognizes those values. Yeah. So as you can see here, the values that have been printed out, the new ones that are set for the variables, names of different people. It said I had to refer to each one. So in square brackets, I refer to the numbers in square brackets. Square brackets here. So as you can see here, I got my list, right? I got my list of things. I can see I got my list, you know. So these are pretty much the values that you find in the array, right? Let me comment this out. So obviously, yeah. So I'm just gonna comment that out, and then as soon as I comment that out, I'm gonna uncomment my lottery variable, my variable random, and then I'll work on that. So okay, comment this out. Right, so I'm going to be working with random here. So yeah, come on, man. Okay, we wrote that. All right, come on now, come on now, come on now, come on now, console, come on now. Okay, so variable lottery. What? So yeah, because this is a book and the page only so wide. Can okay. I put that way. So that's pretty much as simple as it gets, you know. So what I actually showed you was how to access arrays, elements within arrays, right? How to create how to create an array, how to access elements in arrays, you know, the full works of like how to work with them, etc. You know. So yeah, so you work with it, man. So yeah, that's how you do that, man. Okay, so yeah. What? Okay. So let's say, for example, you want to find out the length of an element, right? So you just type in the name of the variable of the element's name, the variable of the elements, right? The name of it, that length, and then you see, you know, then you actually find out the actual length of the element, actual length of the element, yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the lengths of these and I'm just working them out, you know. But yeah, yeah.